Attention San Diego landlords. A new law is coming to protect tenants even more, and it's going to change things up starting June 16th. But don't stress. We've got you covered with all the essential details you need to know about the new tenant protection ordinance. If you have tenants with a lease term of at least 3 months, these are the 3 main points of the new ordinance. For no-fault evictions, the landlord must pay 2 months' rent to the tenant, and if they're elderly or disabled, you need to pay 3 months' rent. A no-fault eviction is when you require the tenant to vacate at no fault of their own. It could be to remodel the units, or you are a family member moving in, or even if you've been required by local authorities to vacate that unit. 2, there's a new definition for substantial remodel. Essentially, any substantial modification that requires a permit and where the tenant must vacate for more than 30 days to complete the work. It doesn't include cosmetic work like painting, decorating, and minor repairs. And if you live in San Diego, you know as well as I do that permits take a very long time. So this new law is going into effect. And 3rd, they're going to require landlords to provide written notice to the Housing Commission for any evictions, whether it's at fault or no fault of the tenant. They'll be building out a submission portal for this, so it won't go into effect until then. I suspect that's going to be easily into 2024 when that happens. The bottom line is, not only has the City Council imposed these new rules under the guise of improving homelessness, they're opening the door to more frivolous lawsuits for plaintiffs' attorneys. As if we don't have enough of those already.